Good morning, guys. Today is Monday, April 13th, and I'm going to give you guys today's math lesson. We are still working on fractions. Fractions are very important. You need them to build lots of things, like my kitchen tile. See my tiles here that I put in the kitchen? Took a lot of measurement. When you cook, you need to use measurement as well. Like these are the measurement tools that you use for cooking. You have these. This one is 1/4 of a cup, so that means it takes 4 of these to fill 1 cup. So you use these fractions for cooking as well as building, sewing. You can use them everywhere in your everyday life. Today I am going to give you your lesson on fractions. Bring the camera over here, Aspen, and we'll show you what's going on. All right, so this is the worksheet for today. It has a front and a back. So by the end of the day, when you finish this up, take a picture of it and send it in to me. Jake's got a cake and Sam has a cake. And we're gonna use their cakes today to answer these questions below here. So Jake's cake is cut into fourths, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. Sam's cake is also cut into fourths, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, do you think that if I had a piece of Jake's cake that it would be equal to 1 piece of Sam's cake? The answer would be yes, because this is a fourth, and it looks like these cakes are exactly the same size, and this is a fourth. Although this one, I'd probably say looks a whole lot less, doesn't it? It is not. He's cut his into fourth, and when the cakes are the same size, a fourth is a fourth. All right, so now we're gonna go down here where it says Jake ate 1 share of his cake. What fraction of his cake did he eat? So if he ate 1 share, he ate 1/4. Or we could use words to write this out. We'll get it right. 1/4. Okay? Now, if Sam ate 1 share of his cake, what fraction did he eat? You remember what I just told you. That's a fourth, that's a fourth. And they are equal because this cake's the same size as this cake and a fourth is a fourth. All right, when you've answered these last 3 questions, then you're gonna turn over to the back side and it says, Mike shared his pizza with 2 friends. Partition the pizza into thirds. So you're gonna take this cake and this pizza, favorite. Oh, Emma, you're gonna like that pizza. And you're gonna partition it into thirds. Do you think we can go this way? I'll use this pencil real quick. Do you think is that thirds? No, that's in fourths. So we can't cut this pizza this way. But when we're doing thirds, that means we're gonna draw 2 columns in here. So this is a column and this is a column. So this is thirds, 1, 2, 3, because we got 3 pieces. Now notice when I did this, I only wrote in 2 columns, 1, 2, to give me 3 pieces. Or I could do it this way. Thirds can also be this way, the same way that Jake cut his pizza, or his pie, his cake, whatever he cut. All right, so then we got 1, 2, 3. This time I drew in 2 rows. Rows go across. Think about that, like when you're in the classroom sitting, you sit in rows. Well, in my room you do anyway. And so that would be a row. Okay. Now you guys are gonna do the last 5 problems on your own. And when you're done with this, remember, take a picture of it, send it to your teacher, and put it on Dojo or email it to your teacher. Thank you, guys.